ChatGPT is going to change everyone's life. Some will be negatively impacted and others will get rich. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to get rich off of it. ChatGPT is a fancy computer program created by developers at OpenAI that can understand and respond to input in natural language. In other words, it can understand what you are saying and respond with something intelligent and relevant. And let us tell you, this thing is very powerful. ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool that can help you get rich in unexpected ways. From content creation to data analysis, ChatGPT can help you automate tedious tasks and focus your time on the things that really matter. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or qualifications. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to start making money today creatively. By the end of this video, you will fully grasp that the possibilities are endless. From creating unique content for your blog to analyzing data and closing profitable deals. Number 1. A genius brainstorm. We can use ChatGPT to come up with business ideas. You can ask the program questions about specific industries or markets, and it will spit out a list of potential business ideas for you to explore. And we're not talking about basic concepts here. We're talking about the next level stuff. Number 2. An expert business writer. Another way to use ChatGPT is to create content for your business. Blog posts, product descriptions, entire marketing campaigns, you name it. You can do it all with ChatGPT. And believe us, the content it creates is top-notch. Number 3. Your very own scriptwriter. We can also use ChatGPT to create scripts and dialogues for videos, podcasts, and other types of content. This can save you a lot of time and effort because you can rely on the program to create high-quality, polished scripts that you can use to promote your business or products. Number 4. Make a chatbot. ChatGPT can also be used to create automatic responses to customer queries, so you don't have to spend all day answering the same questions over and over again. ChatGPT can do that for you. Profiting from chatbots is about more than simply the money. Automating customer support using chatbots may help you save money on expenses you're currently incurring. It requires effort, resources, and time for the team to communicate with your clients. You either have to invest a lot of time in training your staff or field a lot of inquiries from confused clients. Whether it's a complex request or a basic inquiry about a product, answering customer inquiries wastes time that could be put to better use. When there are a lot of calls for customer support, which might slow down response times, your staff can really use some help. All of that can be prevented with chatbots. If a consumer has a question, they will get a swift response and relevant details. Information requests will be handled politely and promptly, and your customer care representatives won't have to haggle with customers over minor issues like a refund ticket. Number 5. Make posts. And it doesn't stop there. You can also create posts and captions for social media. You no longer have to stare at a blank screen to come up with something clever. ChatGPT has your back. It helps you create high-quality, engaging, and personalized posts that help you increase your social media reach and engagement. It makes your posts stand out and get noticed. And that's how you get likes and followers. Number 6. A perfect copywriter. Another way to use ChatGPT is to create landing pages and website copy. ChatGPT helps you create high-quality, engaging texts that will encourage your visitors to stay and make a purchase. It ensures that your website texts are designed to convert visitors into leads and sales, and that's how you make money. Create effective sales copy that can convert more leads into paying customers. With ChatGPT, you can write captivating and persuasive copy highlighting the benefits of your products or services and addressing any objections or concerns your potential customers may have. ChatGPT can also help you test different versions of your sales copy to find out which one works best, which can help you increase your conversion rates. By the way, we're on a mission to inspire people like yourself to make generational wealth, so make sure to subscribe if that sounds like you. Number 7. Scientific papers in seconds. We can also use ChatGPT to create research reports and white papers. No more boring and dry reports. ChatGPT helps you create high-quality, engaging, and informative content that establishes you as an expert in your industry. It ensures that your research reports and white papers are designed to generate leads and build relationships with potential customers, allowing you to grow your business. Number 8. Sell infographics. Create scripts for infographics and data visualizations. No more boring and hard to understand data. ChatGPT can help you create engaging infographics that help you explain complex information in a simple way. It ensures that your infographics are designed to inform and entertain your audience, increasing engagement. ChatGPT helps you create reports and presentations that effectively convey your ideas and increase your credibility. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create reports and presentations that are well organized, easy to understand, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Whether you are creating a business plan, a financial report, or a proposal, ChatGPT will help you present your ideas as effectively as possible. Number 9. Sell product descriptions on freelance sites. Many freelance writers agree that one of the most boring jobs is writing product descriptions, and this AI can do it without any effort from your side. By using the model to write detailed and accurate product descriptions, you can improve your product offerings and make it easier for customers to understand the features and benefits of your products. With ChatGPT, you can create product descriptions and reviews that can increase sales and improve your online reputation. ChatGPT can write detailed and informative product descriptions containing all the information your customers need to purchase. In addition, ChatGPT can also create customer reviews that build trust and credibility with your audience, leading more people to buy from you. With ChatGPT, you can create social media posts that are tailored to your audience and generate interest in no time. Whether you are pitching a new product, sharing a helpful tip, or running a contest on social media, ChatGPT lets you create posts your audience will love. Number 10. Your personal financial advisor. Develop new ideas for your business or investment portfolio. ChatGPT can quickly analyze market trends, consumer preferences, and even competitors to give you ideas that you might not have thought of on your own. It does this with the help of its advanced language processing capabilities. For example, let us say you are a small business owner looking to expand your online presence. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create a list of potential social media platforms and strategies to reach new customers. Or if you are an investor, ChatGPT can help you identify undervalued stocks or emerging industries that are poised for growth. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT can automate tasks and save you time. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is its ability to write coherent, human-like text. This means that you can use it to create emails, reports, and even entire articles with just a few prompts. For example, imagine you are a freelance writer who needs to write a report about a new industry trend. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create a comprehensive report with all the information you need, saving hours of research. Or if you are a business owner, you can use ChatGPT to generate automated responses to customer emails or to create marketing content. Number 11. Use it for your own website. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content for your website or blog, attracting more visitors and ultimately increasing your revenue. With its advanced language processing features, ChatGPT can write captivating and informative articles that will engage your audience and keep them coming back. Moreover, ChatGPT also lets you quickly create headlines, meta descriptions, and other SEO elements that will help your website rank higher in search engine results, attracting even more visitors. ChatGPT helps you write compelling and effective ad copy that drives more traffic to your website. With ChatGPT, you can write ad copy that grabs the attention of your target audience and makes them click through to your website. It can also help you test different versions of your ad copy to see which works best. This way, you'll be able to improve your advertising campaigns and get the most out of them. Number 12. Create email marketing campaigns. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create email campaigns that target specific audiences and increase conversion rates. It helps you segment your mailing list based on factors like demographics, purchase history, and engagement, and then create personalized email campaigns that are tailored to each segment. In addition, it can also help you write subject lines and email content that increase the likelihood that your emails will be opened and read, leading to more conversions. Number 13. Become a ChatGPT expert. ChatGPT is fantastic, but you still need to master its use before you can take full advantage of its benefits. You should not expect more intelligence from it than what you put in. You can make money by teaching others about this emerging technology or by offering your services in this field. Considering the potential for abuse, we are on the fence about addressing this issue. However, some websites will pay you to answer surveys. Examples of such sites are Quora and websites for teachers. While it is ideal to rely on your own expertise and experience, there is no harm in using ChatGPT to learn more and become a better expert or educator. And if you found this video useful, then you'll love these. And be sure to like this video to let the YouTube algorithm know you'd like to see more videos like this one.